Oh, it's the final. It's the finale. I dare you. Let me bring my microphone back. I don't know. Which one should I use? Should I use this one? Or should I use this one? I dare you. Dare you to love somebody like me. I dare you. Hey, this is the season finale. The season finale of this crazy thing called YouTube. Run, baby, run! That's good advice. I dare you. Anyway, guys. Oh, did you see the craziness that's out there today? We've got fog like you wouldn't believe. You can't see anything out there. And it might rain in Southern California again. Oh my gosh. Hey, it's great. It's great to finally be rewarded for all the years of tragedy that I've had to live through. Thanks to the copy and paste entrepreneurs, the copy and paste engineers of the world. And now we finally have AI, the fakest things ever made. Do we live in a simulation? Yes, but it's a plasma simulation. And this is why the rules of the game have been set, like gravity and a bunch of other things, and you can't manipulate them unless you are the architect of the system. And so it's so hilarious now that people have created this new thing, AI, which is not new at all. It's just large language models, which is slightly better than automation. And people are so into this thing. They're like, oh my gosh, it's God. But it's not. So it's super surreal, right? Because you're living in a reality that's a duality kind of thing. But it's also multi-layered, because now you have what happens to you after you pass away, or you have a near-death experience, which is always the same. You're always met with the AI that sends you right back here. It always does. And we have an opportunity now that we have this new AI and a bunch of other things to hopefully investigate and figure out what's really going on. Or scenario number 2 is we just get conned again with an AI fraud, and people get pulled back into the system. Like, there's been a sort of an awakening where we're like, okay, we don't believe in this, we don't believe in that. It's obviously fake this, fake that. But people are about to go back into the slumber because now AI is so valuable. AI is so valuable that it can destroy all of Hollywood, destroy all of the things that people believed in, such as fake news. So yeah, guys, it's unbelievable. I showed you what you can do with AI. I showed you what you can do with 3D printing. I showed you all the cool things that you can build with Raspberry Pis. You can build planes. You can build all these cool things. Nobody cares. They care about internet drama. They care about farming content. Has anything really changed? I can't really know. I can't really tell you if it has, if it hasn't. But what I can tell you is this. You can now build these things for almost nothing with very little help from other people. It's basically one person can just build these things now very easily thanks to AI. Can you make money out of it? I don't know. But all I can tell you is investigate. Challenge everything. Don't let yourself be misinformed, because AI is not what you guys think. And it's not really so cool unless you use it to help yourself move forward into the future. So anyway, I know nothing that I ever say matters, but take control of your own health, because nobody else is going to do it for you. And I just wanted to end on this because, this is how life works. You don't know what's happening next.